Ever wondered if you're using the right facial peel product for your skin type? The role of facial peels in skincare is significant, and choosing the right one can make a world of difference. Stay with us to discover how to choose and use the perfect facial peel product for your skin. So, what exactly is a facial peel? Well, it's a skincare treatment that removes the top layer of your skin, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion underneath. They come in different types: chemical, mechanical, and enzymatic. Chemical peels use acids or enzymes to exfoliate, while mechanical ones rely on tiny particles or tools for physical exfoliation. Enzymatic peels, on the other hand, utilize enzymes, usually from fruits, to gently break down dead skin cells. But why should you incorporate facial peels in your routine? The benefits are numerous. Regular peeling can enhance your skin texture, promote cell renewal, and even boost the absorption of your favorite skincare products. It's like giving your skin a fresh start every time you peel. However, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to choose the right peel for your skin type to maximize these benefits. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits lies in choosing the right product for your skin type. Now, let's dive into how to choose the right facial peel. It's all about knowing your skin type. For dry skin, opt for a peel with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid. If you're on the oily side, an acid peel containing salicylic acid could be your best bet. For those with combination skin, a peel that balances out your skin's needs, perhaps a glycolic acid peel, might be the way to go. And for the sensitive souls, a gentle enzyme peel will serve you well. As for top products, there's an abundance on the market. But remember, high price doesn't always mean high quality. Research is key. Now to application. After cleansing, apply your chosen peel, following the instructions on the packaging. As a rule of thumb, peeling is best done at night as your skin regenerates while you sleep. Frequency? Once or twice a week should suffice, but always listen to your skin. Avoid common mistakes like over-peeling to prevent risks to your skin. After peeling, your skin needs some special care. It's vital to keep your skin hydrated, so apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Also, don't forget about sun protection. Even if it's cloudy, UV rays can still reach your skin, so a broad-spectrum sunscreen is a must. If you've had a chemical peel, avoid using makeup for at least 24 hours to allow your skin to heal. These simple tips can help you maintain your skin's health and glow. So, are you ready to integrate peeling into your regular skincare routine? Let's recap what we've learned today. Facial peels are vital in skincare, improving texture and promoting cell renewal. It's crucial to choose a peel suited to your skin type and apply it correctly. With the right facial peel product, you're on your way to healthier, more radiant skin.